back here in the ball game. And you just saw Coach Jeff Chat talking to Santos about taking care of the basketball, not taking this lead for granted, despite being up this big. As Orbe strings only three to the delight of the bench. Basket being swung around. There's going to be a blocking foul against Tika, so that's going to be 2 free throws for Sarmiento. 22-point lead. 3-3 again for Sarmiento. He made one earlier. So let's see if he can make another one. This time he misses. The rebound goes to Tikas. They go to their best ball handler, Jasper Manala, to the corner. Swings it to Orbe. Munoz, ball screen by Orbe. Santos pulls up, jump shot, off the glass, gets 2. That's Carlos, who gets that 2. There's another whistle, 2 more free throws. Take a look at this by Carlos. Off the glass. That's 2.
Now then Papa will take free 3.
Papa now will take the free 3. He misses. And with 45 seconds to go, Pampanga will just use a lot of time here. Carlos for 3. He misses. It's Pangasinan. Good fight here, but really the experience of Tikas Kapampangan coming out at the right time in the 4th quarter. Building this huge lead against Pangasinan, making their threes, getting the defensive stops. It's just been a huge 4th quarter here for Tikas Kapampangan, who will come away with a victory against Pangasinan Asenderos, a pretty good team. But Tikas proving to be the better team this time. As right now, Tikas coming out with another victory here. Winning on their home court here at the AAF Gymnasium, and Angeles Pampanga, our best player of the ball game. 18 points. Vincent Cunanan, a plus 27 for the game. Crucial 3-pointers in the 3rd and 4th quarters, and of course all around brilliance of Vincent Cunanan leading into a victory here. Congratulations to our best player in the ball game. And congratulations to Tikas Kapampangan for being our best player for this one. Good fight for Pangasinan. Just coming up short in this ball game. They had a chance, but then just too much Tikas Kapampangan in the 3rd and 4th quarters. Let's take a look at our highlights here of this one. First quarter highlights. Lancer Khan gets it to CJ Ganyas. Tikas Kapampangan came out firing from the outside and making their threes. Ed Nilag gets it to Lancer Khan for a 3. He also had a great game here. And then for Pangasinan, they get it inside. It was a game of different styles here. Pangasinan getting their shots from inside. Tikas getting it from the outside. And then Cunanan, look at this. They go under the screen. And he makes them pay. And then one more time here. Another 3. Gets it to go for Lancer Khan. And then before the end of the half, They get that 3 to go off the glass, which pushed their lead up to 16. Kind of disheartened Pangasinan at that point. And then in the third quarter, look at this, the highlight of the third quarter, Edgina takes it and gives it to CJ Ganya for the alley-oop. And the steal here by Papa. He drives, gets the basket for a blaze 3. And then Jasper Manala, look at this beautiful pass down low, Victoria. Great ball movement, great footwork. And into Victoria. Ticas was still up by 13. Entering the fourth and final quarter. But then in the fourth, this is where Ticas just continued to pour it on. Francisco had 6 straight points in a run that put this game away. The pace like this, leading to a 3 by Lancer Khan. Shot clock winding down. Really just didn't give any chance for Pangasinan in the fourth quarter. They were just making 3 out of 3 at the end. Well, thank you for joining us. As our final score is 107-86. Ticas Pampanga victorious in this one. But thank you for joining us in this one. As we end this day of NBL action.
Malakas yung Pampanga, malakas.
Conference here at the AF Gymnasium. On behalf of the entire production crew. And of course, everybody from the NBL. My name is Andre. Thank you for joining us here in the NBL Governors Cup 2026 Reinforced Conference. We'll see you guys next Friday.
Malakas yung ano eh, Chris Calagyo. Coach ng Pangasinan. Coach ng Kapampangan, si ano, Jeep Chan. Jeep Chan.